Hello dear learners, welcome to the video lectures on subject rapid prototyping. In this session we are going to discuss two types of tooling in rapid tooling. First one is a production tooling and second one is a bridge tooling. So let's understand first what is meant by production tooling. If a manufacturer want to make one part or only sample, then he will choose prototyping tooling is the best method. What is meant by prototype tooling? The tooling technique in which if a manufacturer want to make only one part or only sample, then we will go for prototype tooling. Then what is meant by production tooling? If manufacturer want to go for mass production or to manufacture a part with high volume, then he has to select the production tooling. Means there are two types of tooling, prototype tooling and production tooling. In prototype tooling, if a manufacturer want a one part or a sample, then he will go for prototype tooling. But if a manufacturer want to go for mass production or high volume production, he will select production tooling. Production tooling, in contrast with the other form of tooling, it's all about producing high volume of part with most economical way. So in production tooling, high volume of products are manufactured with a economic way, which will influence the final product price. We know that final price of the product is very much important, and if it is very less, then it can compete into the market. The consideration for production tooling are as follows but not limited. Means when we will consider production tooling technique: number one, quantity to be made before service is required, setup, serviceability, mistake proofing, human factors, safety, quality, process monitoring and inspection system, speed of production and budget. In these all factors, we can select the production tooling technique instead of prototype tooling technique. Next technique is known as bridge tooling. So what is meant by bridge? It's the name came from the fact that it is the bridge between prototype and production tooling. We know that in prototype tooling, we will consider this process for manufacturing of single part. We consider production tooling when we are to manufacture mass products, but bridge tooling, it is in between prototype and production tooling. So bridge tooling can also be known as development tooling or rapid tooling, and it is defined as a stage in the product development where there is a need for molded parts but production tooling is unavailable. Means we cannot go for a single part or we cannot go for a mass production. The stage in between a prototype and production is known as a bridge tooling. When the bridge tooling is used, the requirement can be driven by number of issues. Means bridge tooling can be considered when following factor arises. Number one, the quantity of part required makes prototyping uneconomical. Suppose if you want to manufacture 4 to 5 prototypes, in that case we are not able to apply prototype tooling, so in that case we will go for bridge tooling. Second, a trial batch is required ahead of production release. Means we have to manufacture a batch of products before actual mass production, then we will go for bridge tooling. The design is not sufficiently stable to allow production tooling. Means if your design is not sufficiently stable, means your design is not perfect, which can be applied directly for production tooling, we will go for bridge tooling. And last, initial part call off is too low to warranty production tooling manufacturing. Means if your initial part is too low to warrant the production, means it is not guaranteed that you should directly go for production tooling. In that case, you can select the bridge tooling. Thank you.